Greetings, Professor and fellow classmates. My name is Trinell Borello, and I go by Nellie Borello. My primary reason for selecting this course is to one day work with adolescents and children on the autism spectrum. My secondary reason for choosing this course is to refresh and better familiarize myself with the child welfare system. I was a court reporter in juvenile court for over 15 years in the New Orleans area where I came across abuse and neglect cases daily, voluntary transfers of custody, termination of parental rights. My interest in social work peaked in my early 20s. However, once my child was diagnosed on the autism spectrum, it inspired me to go back to school and be better equipped in helping him and dealing with everything that has come about from birth to he is now 13 years old. And of course, the adolescent side of this disorder has been very difficult, and being better equipped in dealing with some of these issues has really helped me along. Next, I think the way I feel about child abuse is I am, of course, totally opposed to any abuse of a child. However, I do understand the family unit and the family dynamics and how families can end up in the court system. I feel that our prison systems and our child welfare systems are two of our most broken systems. And with that being said, I think that we need more support systems out there to prevent uh, those doors from opening and families getting to the point of juvenile court and family courts. I think if we had more resources out in our communities, like some of the videos that I watched this first week, and the learning sections really showed some great programs that are more geared towards prevention than after the family is already in the system and trying to fight their way out of the system. I think if we had parenting classes and more programs out there for substance use disorders and things where families find themselves in a position where they're trying to reach out, but there's no one there trying to help them. So I think both ways we need to protect the child, but we also need to provide those resources and those prevention mechanisms, have them in place for the families that find themselves needing assistance. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you and seeing you in the threads. And I look forward to these next 6 weeks and getting finished up. Thank you and see you soon.